Making money self-publishing on Amazon KDP isn't as easy as some people would have you believe. That's why I thought I would share 3 very practical and realistic tips for making money self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Stay tuned. Hey, just a quick heads up, today's video is sponsored by Fiverr. I'm going to give you a little bit more details about them and also the 2020 Finish Strong Challenge. You can get more details in the description down below or visit dalelinks.com/challenge. Let's get right into it. Come on now. It's 3 tips for making money self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Let's start out with number 1, diversify. Folks, it's not always about book sales, and I know that if you're the type of person that you're writing and publishing for the sake of the craft, then kudos to you, but some of us do have some of those pesky things we have to cover. They're called bills. I mean, for some reason, you actually have to take care of those. So really trying to go all in with publishing, is a good idea. I commend you if you are publishing ebooks, print books, and audiobooks. If you aren't already doing that, then diversify what you're doing by adding all 3 of those iterations that you can. Next, expand your offerings to beyond just the books. I want you to think about any type of products that closely align with your readership and your followers. And that can be done through things like affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing programs work in this way: that you like a product, you get a hold of the company, they will give you a certain percentage of sales for the traffic that you send over towards their direction. Super simple way to find out if there's an affiliate marketing program for your preferred product. You can always just type in the preferred product and affiliate program, and Google will go ahead and bring you back all the results that you need to know. Now you can push those affiliate marketing programs through your publications, you can do it through social media, you can do it through email newsletter. The same thing goes for all of these things I'm going to mention here. Just stay with me. There's also course creation, so you can actually do course sales. If you're an expert in something, which if you've already written and published a book, then I'd be hard-pressed seeing that you don't have at least some type of skill set or knowledge you can share with the world. So that's where you can be able to create a course of some sort. There's so many platforms between Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, Gumroad. Just look around, see what's going to work out best for you. Coaching and consulting is another way to go ahead and diversify your income. And again, there's going to be some instances where people want to learn your skill set and your knowledge, but they don't want to be bothered with going through a course. They want to get it directly from the horse's mouth. They want to hear it right from you, and that's why they're going to pay a higher premium for coaching and consulting with you. You're going to charge a higher ticket item for something like this because it's requiring your undivided attention to help them. And last but not least, this one's a little bit more delicate and a little harder to kind of maintain, and it is brand deals and sponsorships. So there's going to be times where affiliate programs are good, but you know what's even gooder? Yeah, I said that. Go ahead, say something down in the comments. Try me. You know what's gooder though? It's going to be these sponsorship deals. Some companies are willing to spend just a little bit more money to get it to where you will speak on their behalf to your audience. A great example, of course, is this video sponsored by Fiverr. Number 2, marketing and promotion. I hate to say it, you got to spend money to make money. I cringe when I say that anyways. I have to say it though. But really, to get ahead in this game of self-publishing, sometimes you do have to pony up the expenses. And now am I telling you to pull out a mortgage on your house or dip into your kid's college fund? No, not by any stretch. I'm just saying that it is a pay-to-play world. And the more that you invest, the more likely you are to have your breakout success. If you're not investing, then you're at a greater disadvantage than those that can do it. If you are cash strapped, I totally get it. I've been there before. My first couple of years in the business was really tough. So you're going to need to look into alternatives. You need to be just a little bit more frugal. You need to be a little bit more resourceful. Reach out and find other opportunities. You can use platforms like Story Origin, where you can do newsletter swaps or group promotions with other authors that are within your niche. You can find ways to do marketing and promotion that doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money. Now, I know that kind of contradicts me what I had said before, but if you do take your time and find other ways you can promote and market your book, you may not have to spend very much. And speaking of not having to spend very much money, believe it or not, our sponsors, Fiverr, wants to make sure that you don't have to spend very much money yourself. When you visit their ebook and book publishing store, you can get everything from ghostwriting to editing to proofreading to formatting to book cover design and marketing and promotion. And this is a perfect segue leading over into the 2020 Finish Strong Challenge. Now, there's going to be some details over at dalelinks.com/challenge where you're going to get the opportunity to enter for a number of prizes and some nice little perks. You can also get an additional 10% off your first order with Fiverr when you use the coupon code DALE20, and that's all caps. That's good only for the first 100 first-time customers. Number 3, be flexible. No single piece of advice in the world of self-publishing is one size fits all. I think that a lot of people might think that it's a good idea to,
I'm going to go ahead and do everything Dale says and only listen to Dale.
That's where you're going to probably get it wrong, because I know quite a bit of what has made me successful and some other people successful, but that doesn't necessarily equate to your success. So this is where you're going to need to be flexible. You're going to need to become a student of the game. Study from people like Mark Dawson, Joanna Penn, Brian Cohen, any number of authors who are currently walking the path that you would like to walk upon as well. And the issue is, when it comes down to it, it is your book publishing business. It's going to be up to you on how you take action. And sometimes that action is going to have a positive response, and other times it's going to have a negative response. And that's where you're going to need to be flexible and somewhat self-aware and say, you know what? I'm going to try something a little bit different. You're going to need to make sure you're consistent about what you do, track the results, see what works, do it more, and whatever doesn't work, make sure you don't do it again. Hey, I got 5 reasons why you're wasting money self-publishing on Amazon KDP, and it's this very next video right here. You want to go ahead and take a look at that, because, we're going to be making money, no sense wasting it. And, if you already saw that video, you can check out this one right here. YouTube says you should look at it. They think it's great for you, so I'll see you in either one.